Finna drop that hay off. I'm gonna show y'all how they work real quick. Y'all see this right here? Yeah, you move that right there. You gotta do just lift up on the hay just like that and roll off. Just like that. That's how you do it. And you put that back on here. Let me see something. Then you cut the string off them. It's all hay trail. It's the easy thing. Nothing hard about it. Yoo! There go the cows right here, y'all. We out in the cow by feeding hay today. That's what we've been doing. Let me show you something. You get this nine like this and go down that line like that. There you go. Man, they gone. Motherfucker gone. Problem solved. Jack. Now you take this right here. Let me show you. Break that up right now. Yoo! There we go. Yoo! 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 Want to put that down like that right there? That's our trailer. It's the hay. We cut off strings of our hay, you know. Yoo! Yoo! There go them some guys. Let me get this right here, the light one. Because since it's easy to pick up. Let me see. Yeah, here you go. Finna throw it over there on that one. I'm probably gonna have to go, y'all, because I'm gonna need both of my hands on this one. I might not, I don't know. If I can get it closer. It's still a bit rolling. No, I think I got it now. Let me show y'all. That's how you do it.